Holy crap. Holy crap. Back up, guys. There goes the van cover. Manhole. I just blocked the traffic off.